Hi, my name is Alwin. I am a digital marketing expert living in London, and I work for one of the big four media agencies in the world. Welcome to my channel. It's my first video, so it's more of an intro about what the channel is all about, kind of why I started it. I've got three main goals here from starting the channel. First, I want to share more about my job and the industry as a whole. If you're just starting to think about a career in digital marketing, you probably know a bit about things like social media management, but there's a lot more to it than that. I really love this industry, and if I can help someone land their first role or figure out how to start a career in digital marketing or their next step in the career, that would make me really happy. One of the best things about this field is that the barrier to entry is low, so you don't really need a degree in marketing to get started, for example. Secondly, I want to share the knowledge and tools that I use day to day. Back when I was starting out, I remember looking at YouTube tutorials on the platforms and tools that I use in the agency, and there wasn't really much in-depth beyond broad overviews, so I want to create practical and detailed content that I wish I had access to when I was learning. And finally, I'd love to build a community of like-minded people who are working on growing their careers in digital marketing, somewhere where we can share experiences and tips and help each other grow. What exactly is digital marketing? Digital marketing involves promoting and selling products or services through online channels like websites, through social media, email, and search engines. An important distinction here is it's not just about paid advertising. There are organic and non-paid ways to build awareness and to reach customers as well. Advertising is just one part of the digital marketing world. So why start a career in digital marketing? There are a few big benefits. One is, as long as products and services exist, businesses will always need marketing in some way or another. So the demand for jobs in the industry is huge. So if you go onto these job sites, you will see under marketing, there are tons and tons of jobs out there. A second benefit is that you only need a laptop to do the work. Most roles are hybrid as a result of that. So you can work from home or the office or even abroad when you need to. Other industries you have to physically go in, and even in industries where you work from a desk, now that a lot of companies are returning to the office, they would prioritize working from the office. But digital marketing is less affected by this in my experience, and that flexibility is really invaluable. And again, the barrier to entry is really low. I have a master's in digital marketing, which gave me the academic and strategic side of things, but you don't really need that to start. Many of my colleagues, even at the director level, studied things like English or psychology or economics and just learned the tools by themselves before applying for these roles and kind of started at the bottom and worked their way up. Now, a question I get a lot is, will AI make digital marketing jobs obsolete? It's a fair concern because AI is everywhere now and everyone's talking about it. It's a buzzword for everyone. But right now, AI isn't replacing us. It's more of a tool that we can use, and AI can help us with things like analyzing data and drafting ad copy or speeding up research, but it still needs humans to guide the strategy, manage clients, and do the storytelling and connect with people, and also to double check all the work that AI creates, because not all of it's going to be correct. Creativity and leadership and cultural context isn't really something that AI can do currently. And even if that does happen later on, it's still very necessary for a human to double check whatever is being created by AI. And finally, the big question, how much can you earn in the industry? You can look up salary ranges online. When you start out, salaries are quite modest, like in most industries, but as you move up, the pay grows quite quickly, which match or even exceed careers like healthcare or engineering, for example. And that's just because there's so many different paths you can take, whether that's like management or strategy or becoming a specialist, and you can focus on business to business or business to consumer in terms of clients, and B2B tends to have more money in it, so the salaries are usually higher. Skills like email marketing are extremely valuable as well. So you can end up out-earning a lot of these traditional careers that you see around you. And that's all for now. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, what topics you're most curious about, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more about digital marketing and to be a part of this community, and I'll see you in the next one.